if you do not have a printer, you can write or draw the answers onto the document. About Georgia O'Keeffe. Georgia O'Keeffe was an American artist remembered for her bold paintings of nature and skyscrapers. O'Keeffe grew up in a household that was encouraged of her natural talent. She formerly studied at the Art Institute of Chicago. The Georgia O'Keeffe Museum is located in Santa Fe, New Mexico, a place where she found great inspiration for her paintings. In this lesson, you will draw your own flower landscape, just like Georgia O'Keeffe. Before we get started, I'm going to write my name and class code, and I'm going to flip it over. Step 1. So here's number 1, and here's picture number 1. We're going to read part number 1. Fold your paper in half. So now the paper's folded in half. Fold again to make 4 equal parts. Then after, I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to draw a circle on the top right. So here's my top right, and I'm going to draw a circle. And see how I'm drawing light? Okay, and I'm just erasing the excess parts. Okay, now for part number 2, so here's part number 2, draw little half circles for the petals around the circle. So here is picture number 2. We're drawing little tiny circles. And for part 3, draw a half circle on the left side next to the petals. So here's a half a circle for picture number 3. And I'm not drawing too dark. Step number 2. So step number 2 has part 1, circling part 1. Draw 3 petals around the half circle. So here is picture 1. Here's picture 1. And here's my petals. So look, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3. Now with the circle that we have here, I want to erase now because we don't need the circle anymore inside of the flower. Okay, so once that's erased, now we can move on. Part 2 of step 2, draw 3 more petals around the flower. So now we're going to draw 3 more petals. And actually, I'm going to fix this one because this is not even. I want to try to make sure that they're pretty even. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we have step 3 of, so part 3 of step 2, draw a curved line inside of the flower. So here's the inside of the flower, and we're gonna draw that nice curved line. And we have, see, still a line here from before, so it's easy. All we're gonna do is just draw that curved line, and then we're gonna draw 2 baby curved lines together. These are called parallel lines. And you're gonna draw a circle inside. And see here in the picture, there are tiny little lines in the petals. So that's what we're gonna draw. So over here, my finger, we're gonna start off with this top one. So this top one's right here, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then this one gets 1 over here. So we're starting on the top, and we're moving this one to the left side. This is the left side. 1, 2, 3, 1, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 1 down in the bottom, and 2 more here. Draw 2 curved lines for the flower stem. So here are my 2 curved lines for the stem. And see here that the stem starts on the bottom petal. So this is the bottom petal. And we're gonna take our lines and we're gonna curve them. And see, curving. So these are 2 curved lines. So the line goes this way. So the lines will go this way, the 2 curved lines. And then the last part is part 4. Draw 2 leaves for your flower. So here are 2 leaves, and I'm gonna first start off with a leaf on the left. So how we're gonna draw the leaf on the left is we're gonna take our pencil and we're gonna draw a nice curved line going to the left side. And we're gonna make a point at the top, and we're gonna keep curving the right, and it's gonna go around. So it's gonna look like a shoe. So the shape is a shoe shape, and then we have the right side. And we have the right side. Okay. So we're finished with our flower. When you're finished with your flower, then you can color the flower any color you would like with either, here's a supply list. So you have a pencil, you have your paper here, white or lined, because some of you do not have white paper, crayons, color pencils, or markers. Okay, so this is the finishing project. What I included was clouds, grass in my project. You can include some clouds and some grass if you like. I also colored the sky, and I colored the flower yellow. You can color any color you like. And I colored the stem and the leaves different types of greens. You can choose one type of green. That's up to you. So I made my project look the way I want it to look. You can be creative and add clouds. You can also add raindrops, anything you like. As long as it is colored, you can add the nature, or you don't have to. This important note. Parents, please take a picture of the work. Send to mromeo@embacad.org.